customize our hero section here. To do that, we need to click on small pencil here, and we have different options for layout. In my case, it's text with a search bar and the image. You can change the order of that, add here different links to your social media, or just introduce the portal to your clients with hello. The next step is to choose the color of the background. You can also here the image and change the background with like gradient or just add the color you need. Let's edit our text. I have here edit, and here we can change the title, the description, choose the color of the text as well, and just go with the search and change what is saying just right here. For the image is the same. We are clicking here on edit and just choosing another image we need to use. Just a quick example of all the changes I just showed. I have here an image as a background and just changed the colors for the text as well.